Hi everybody! Today I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite sewing tools. Many underestimate it, but an iron is essential to any well-made project and to iron it definitively when it's done. If you want to know more about tools and sewing techniques, I'll leave you some links to my playlists in the description below. I'm Veronica from San Maldra Verde Arts and Crafts, and if you're new here, this channel is all about sewing techniques for cosplay, LARP costumes in general. So if you like these topics, press the subscribe button and ring the bell of notification. Let's go!
What are the characteristics of a good iron? It must be comfortable to hold, easy to handle, of the right shape depending on the project you mainly do. But it does not have to be too light, because the weight helps to iron better, and if it's too light, it's up to us to put pressure and therefore to get tired. The steam in the iron must have a good pressure and must regenerate quickly after use. Comfort also means being able to refill the iron boiler with water without having to turn it off. I usually, if the fabric allows it and I plan to wash the finished garment in the washing machine, always wet the fabric first and dry in the shade. Therefore, before cutting, it must be ironed. Wetting and ironing well the fabric will make it withdraw if the fabric has the tendency to behave like this, and therefore there are no surprises after the first wash. A good iron must be able to be coated with an iron protection. It is a very useful tool that we are going to discover in the next video. Briefly, I can tell you that it serves to protect both the iron from possible scratches from burning of synthetic materials that sticks, and fabric and prints from the burning of the iron. On the printed shirt or on the paintings or drawings that I make by hand, I usually, for safety, also put a cotton cloth that I use only for ironing.
So I'll wait for you in the next video, and to not miss it, subscribe and ring the bell of notifications. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, let me know, and if you have any questions, write in the comments below. Ciao!